Hello, and welcome to English Podcast Zone. My name is Sophia. Today, I want to talk about a very common question, a question that millions of English learners ask every day. Why do I understand English but can't speak it? Maybe this sounds familiar to you. You listen to English videos, you watch movies, you understand podcasts, you read English without many problems. But when it is time to speak, you feel blocked, you feel nervous, you feel slow. Sometimes you say nothing. If this is you, I want you to listen carefully. First, I want to tell you something important. This problem is normal. You are not lazy. You are not bad at English. You are not stupid. Many strong English learners have this problem. Understanding English and speaking English are not the same skill. When you listen or read, your brain is relaxed. You receive information. You recognize words. But when you speak, your brain must work very hard. You must think about words. You must think about grammar. You must think about pronunciation. And you must do everything fast. So, your brain says, this is difficult. That is why speaking feels harder than listening. Another reason is fear. Many English learners are afraid of making mistakes, afraid of saying the wrong word, afraid of bad grammar, afraid of a bad accent. So what happens? They stay silent. They say in their head, I will speak when my English is perfect. But perfection never comes. The truth is simple. You don't learn to speak English before you speak. You learn to speak by speaking. Mistakes are not failure. Mistakes are practice. Native speakers make mistakes too. They just don't stop speaking. Another very big problem is translation. Many learners translate in their head. First, they think in their language. Then they translate to English. Then they try to speak. This takes time. That is why you feel slow. Fluent English does not come from translation. It comes from thinking directly in English. At first, this feels impossible, but you can start with simple words. Simple thoughts like, I am hungry. I am tired. I like this. Little by little, your brain learns. Now let's talk about what you can do. You do not need long study hours. You do not need perfect grammar books. You need daily speaking practice. Even 1 minute a day is good. Speak to yourself. Talk about your day. Describe what you see. Read sentences out loud. Record your voice and listen. Use simple sentences. Simple English is powerful English. Do not wait to feel ready. You will never feel ready. Confidence comes after action, not before. Also, listen and repeat. Choose a short audio. Listen to one sentence. Pause. Repeat with the speaker. This helps your pronunciation and speed. And most important, be patient. English speaking is a skill. Skills need time. If you practice a little every day, your brain will change. One day, you will speak without thinking, and you will remember this moment. So, remember, if you understand English but can't speak it, this problem is normal, and this problem can be fixed. Thank you for listening to English Podcast Zone. My name is Sophia. If you enjoy this podcast, subscribe and listen to the next episode. See you soon.